Words have the power to change the world. This simple statement speaks volumes about the influence of language. Words can move us, ignite our passions, and inspire dreams within us. They hold the potential to shape thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately actions. However, words alone are not enough. Think of them as the spark. Inspiration is like the striking of a match, a fleeting moment of ignition. It can illuminate possibilities and plant the seeds of change. But without action, inspiration remains just that, a fleeting flicker. Inspiration is a powerful force capable of igniting our imaginations and fueling our desires. It can come from various sources: a moving speech, a thought-provoking book, or even a casual conversation. Inspiration is the catalyst that awakens us to new possibilities and motivates us to strive for something more. But inspiration without action is like a seed left unplanted. It may hold the potential for growth and transformation, but without the right conditions, it will never reach its full potential. True change, meaningful progress requires more than just inspiration. It demands action. Throughout history, countless individuals have demonstrated the power of turning inspiration into action. One such example is Mahatma Gandhi, a man who, armed with the philosophy of non-violent resistance, ignited a movement that led to India's independence from British rule. Gandhi's words, imbued with unwavering belief and a vision for a free India, resonated with millions, but it wasn't just his words that sparked change, it was his unwavering commitment to action. Gandhi led by example, participating in peaceful protests, enduring imprisonment, and inspiring others to join his cause. His actions, fueled by his unwavering belief in his vision, transformed inspiration into a tangible reality. Another remarkable example is Martin Luther King Jr., a leader who dreamt of a world free from racial segregation and inequality. His vision was not just a dream but a call to action, a plea for justice and humanity. Dr. King's leadership was instrumental in the fight for civil rights, and his influence extended far beyond his speeches. Dr. King's powerful words, echoing the principles of equality and justice, resonated deeply with people across America. His speeches were more than just words. They were a rallying cry for change, a beacon of hope for millions who faced oppression and discrimination daily. His "I Have a Dream" speech remains a timeless testament to the power of inspirational oratory. Delivered on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial, it painted a vivid picture of a future where all people would be judged by the content of their character, not the color of their skin. Yet it was Dr. King's actions, his leadership in the civil rights movement, his organization of peaceful protests, and his unwavering commitment to justice that propelled the movement forward. He led marches, organized boycotts, and faced imprisonment, all in the name of equality. Dr. King understood that words alone couldn't dismantle systemic racism. It required sustained, courageous action. His legacy is a powerful reminder that change is possible when we stand together and fight for what is right, no matter the cost. Turning to the present, we see individuals like Elon Musk, driven by a vision of a sustainable future, transforming industries. Musk's journey is not just about creating electric cars or launching rockets, it's about rethinking the very fabric of our society. His work challenges us to consider how we can live more sustainably and responsibly on this planet. Musk's ambition to revolutionize transportation and energy consumption goes beyond mere words. He envisions a world where renewable energy is the norm, and where humanity can explore the stars without harming our home planet. This vision is not just a dream, it's a blueprint for a better future. Through Tesla and SpaceX, he's turning his aspirations into tangible realities. Tesla's electric vehicles are redefining the automotive industry, while SpaceX's advancements in space travel are opening new frontiers. These companies are not just businesses, they are catalysts for change. His ventures, fueled by innovation and a relentless pursuit of his goals, are changing how we think about transportation, space exploration, and the future of our planet. Musk's relentless drive and innovative spirit are inspiring a new generation of thinkers and doers. These examples, spanning different eras and fields, underscore a crucial point. Inspiration is essential, but it is the fuel, not the engine. The true power lies in taking action, in turning those sparks of inspiration into concrete steps that lead to real-world change. Action is the driving force that propels us forward, turning dreams into realities. It is through persistent effort and unwavering commitment that we can build a sustainable future, just as Musk is doing with his groundbreaking work. Taking that first step, transforming inspiration into action, is often the most challenging part. It's the moment when dreams and ideas must be translated into tangible efforts. This initial move sets the tone for the entire journey. It requires overcoming inertia, pushing past doubts and fears, and committing to the journey, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. The obstacles you face are not just physical but mental barriers that test your resolve. But every great endeavor, every transformative journey begins with a single step. This step, no matter how small, is a declaration of intent, a promise to yourself that you will keep moving forward. Don't be daunted by the scale of your aspirations. The magnitude of your goals can be overwhelming, but remember that every significant achievement is built on a series of smaller, manageable tasks. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Each step should be a clear, actionable task that brings you closer to your ultimate objective. This approach makes the journey less intimidating and more achievable. Focus on the immediate action you can take today, the one task you can complete that moves you closer to your objective. By concentrating on the present, you can maintain momentum and build confidence. Remember, even the most daunting mountain is climbed one step at a time. Each step, no matter how small, is progress. Celebrate these small victories, for they are the building blocks of your success. The world is full of inspiring words, ideas, and dreams, but their true power is unleashed when we, as individuals, choose to act on them. Don't let inspiration remain a fleeting feeling. Let it ignite the fire of action within you. Take that first step, and then another, and another. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never underestimate the power of consistent action. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Make yours count. The world is waiting to see what you will create.